Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Who doesn't love a comforting mug of hot chocolate? But what if you could enjoy that same rich, creamy flavor entirely plant-based? It's easier than you think and absolutely delicious. Today, we're diving into the simple magic of vegan hot chocolate, showing you how to whip up a delightful treat that's perfect for any cozy moment without any dairy at all. Making vegan hot chocolate starts with choosing the right ingredients. For your base, pick any plant-based milk you love, like creamy oat, classic almond, or rich soy milk. Then, grab some unsweetened cocoa powder. Your preferred sweetener may be maple syrup, agave, or even a few dates, and just a tiny pinch of salt to enhance all those chocolatey notes. It's really that simple to get started. Now, let's make it. In a small saucepan, whisk together your cocoa powder, sweetener, and just a splash of your chosen plant milk. Keep whisking until you have a smooth, lump-free paste. This is key for a perfectly creamy drink. Once it's smooth, slowly pour in the rest of your plant milk, continuing to whisk gently as it warms up over medium heat, bringing all those delicious flavors together beautifully. Want to take your hot chocolate to the next level? A splash of pure vanilla extract or a pinch of cinnamon can add wonderful depth. If you're feeling adventurous, try a tiny dash of cayenne pepper for a subtle, warming kick. And for the ultimate indulgence, don't forget the toppings. Think vegan whipped cream, fluffy plant-based marshmallows, or even a drizzle of melted dark chocolate. The possibilities are endless. Once your hot chocolate is perfectly warm and ready, pour it into your favorite mug. Take a moment to breathe in that rich, chocolatey aroma before taking your first sip. This truly is a delightful, comforting treat that you can feel good about enjoying. Whether you share it with loved ones or simply savor it all by yourself, you've created something wonderfully delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.